Hello, I'm Sarah, and this is Paisley's Corner. So today is my packing video. What am I packing for? I'm going on my next trip. I'm so excited. So basically, I've been into cruising lately. So I've been on a couple of cruises recently, and it's my thing. Now, I love traveling. I like to do solo traveling. That's kind of been my thing. But I went on a family cruise and I loved it. So I just kept booking cruises. So my next cruise is really exciting for me because the ship has a roller coaster on it. Yes, I'm going on a roller coaster on a ship. So if you know what ship I'm talking about, put it in the comment section. Please, this is going to be exciting. We're packing. I normally pack with just an underseater. I had some videos where I literally will go on a 5-day trip and pack everything in an underseater. And this thing is small. This is going to be a cruise, and because it's really like a city on a ship, I'm going to do a little bit more than just packing in the underseater. So what I do is I look at videos just like you're looking at this video. My favorite people to watch is Life With Us TV with Lynette and Stanley. If you watch them, you know why I said it that way. They are the best. So I actually got a packing list from them, and I'm pretty much going to use their packing list and alter it to what I like to bring or what I like to, what I think is necessary. Now, I still am not going to bring a lot of stuff. They're recommending maybe 2 to 3 outfits a day, and it's serious like that. You could be changing a lot because you want to maybe have your bathing suit, you want to go to dinner, you may want to lounge around at lunch but not have your bathing suit on, so you could possibly be changing 2 to 3 times a day. I'm not going to do that. One thing I like to do, I do like to work out, so I will have outfits to work out in, but I'm still not going to be changing that much. So let's get started. Another thing is please like, please comment, and please subscribe. But we're going to get to the business right now of what I'm packing and what I'm packing it in. Okay, so hope you enjoy.
Okay, let me break it down so it can forever and consistently be broken. Does anybody know what movie that's from? Put it in the comments. But we're going to really talk about what I'm packing. So I have 3 pairs of shorts, 7 dresses, and 4 tops, as well as 2 bathing suits. And then as you can see, I'm rolling everything up and putting it in the compression bag. I love this bag. It's sturdy, it's strong, it doesn't break easily. I always take this bag, but normally I take it in my underseater. But like I mentioned earlier, it's going in a carry-on suitcase that I did purchase from American Travel. I really do like that suitcase. It has different hues and colors in it, purple and pinks and blues, and you'll see it maybe a little later. I don't know if I have a picture of it, but this is me kind of getting ready to compress. So once you put all those items in there, so that's 16 items, now you got to compress it. So there's a second zipper that allows you to compress it. And there goes my suitcase. So I am putting it, all my clothing on one side. Now that's my outer clothing. What I am going to do, I have my shoes separately. I have about 2 pairs of shoes. One is my really they're water shoes, but I use them as little sneakers because they have great sole on the bottom, great protection to walk on and non-slippery. And this bag is going to be the smaller compression bag. It's actually two-sided. So I have my undergarments on one side and I have my scarves because I'm really big on wearing scarves on my head, wrapping it around me. It's like a quick outfit, a quick sarong. So it does a lot of things. So that's what I'm going to have in that carry-on suitcase. And then I just put my little flip-flops, but they're flip-flops with the ankle strap, and I have it in black and white. This is the underseater. So this time I'm using it really as my toiletry bag. So I have tea bags in there. I have some super greens, which is just like a powdered greens in case I forget to get all my vegetables. Then I also have the motion sickness back of the ear patch and also the wristbands. You'll also see I have clips. That's for my towels. If I get bored, which is not likely, I also have some playing cards. And then I have my just other medicines, Pepto, pain medication, first aid kit. I try to get everything in this bag. Here's the backpack. This is coming with me on the plane and will be with me the whole time. But I have to do the Brita bottle. I need that bottle. I can put water in there, it filters it, and I feel like I'm getting a fresh drink of water. Then I have my TSA pack, which has my suntan lotion, Lysol, because you know you gotta spray it and you gotta wipe it. It is a must. That's my iPad.
That was my packing video. One thing you didn't see, which is going to go in the backpack, is my electronics. Literally, I have everything electronically that I need in this little bag here. My outlet, no surge. They don't allow surge protectors. I think that's what you call it. They don't allow it on the ship, so you got to make sure you do not have that. I have my Insta360 Go 3S, which is what I'm recording from today. I also have my GoPro in here because in my old video I mentioned that I found it, and I did. I found my GoPro. So I didn't really need this camera, but it's so cute. If you check out the other video, you see what I mean. It's literally this small little camera that I'm recording from right now. Flashlight, because you just never know. You gotta be to charge. This is this cute little box. So it's a charging box, and I can charge devices as well, and it's supposed to have internet, so when we dock, I'll be able to have internet from this little box. This is more like a pay-as-you-go, where the other ones just kind of give you internet. This thing is really great. I've had it for a couple of years, and I travel everywhere with it. Let's see what else. And of course, you gotta have your outlets, you know, for you to charge the wall unit, and wires and things like that. But that's really all, and I put that in my backpack with me because I'm not putting it in the underseater and I'm not putting it in the suitcase. So that's everything that I'm bringing on the trip. If I don't have it, I don't need it.